Sewing Icon Pack is a unique and visually appealing customization application for Android devices that allows users to personalize their home screens and app drawers with a collection of sewing-themed icons. This icon pack features beautifully designed icons that reflect various aspects of sewing, crafting, and creativity, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts of these hobbies. With a wide array of icons covering numerous applications, Sewing Icon Pack enables users to find icons that resonate with their personal style and interests. The app typically supports multiple launchers, making it easy to integrate and apply the icons across different home screen setups. Additionally, it may offer features such as icon masking for unthemed apps and regular updates to include new icons, ensuring that users can keep their devices fresh and visually cohesive. Overall, Sewing Icon Pack is a fantastic option for those looking to give their Android devices a creative and personalized touch. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the device, but also allows users to express their passion for sewing and crafting through their device's interface, making everyday interactions more enjoyable and engaging.